Welcome to the List Lab, where we bring you the best of everything. Today, we're unpacking one of the most practical, empowering books on personal growth, Atomic Habits by James Clear. At first glance, it sounds like a book about habits, and it is. But at its core, Atomic Habits is about identity, who you are, who you're becoming, and how the smallest shifts, the ones no one sees, can completely transform your life. This isn't about grand gestures or massive motivation. It's about systems. It's about showing up, not once, but consistently, until your actions become your identity. James Clear delivers it with sharp clarity. You do not rise to the level of your goals, you fall to the level of your systems. Want to change your life? Don't start with the outcome, start with your habits. Because every habit is a vote for the type of person you want to become. Instead of saying, I want to write a book, say, I'm a writer who writes every day. Instead of, I want to get in shape, say, I'm the kind of person who doesn't miss workouts. Atomic Habits teaches you that real change is identity change. And identity is built, one small, consistent action at a time. Clear breaks it down with 4 simple laws of behavior change. Make it obvious. Make it attractive. Make it easy. Make it satisfying. This is habit building at the atomic level. Tiny actions, big results. This book isn't about hustling harder. It's about designing your environment, reducing friction, and making success inevitable. It's for the tired goal setter who's burned out by broken resolutions. For the person who knows what they want, but struggles to follow through. And for anyone who's ever felt stuck, waiting for motivation to magically show up. Atomic Habits reminds you, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent. If you've ever thought, I should be further along by now, Atomic Habits will meet you where you are and give you the tools to move forward, one small, powerful step at a time. Clear, grounded, and genuinely transformational. Subscribe to the List Lab for more books that challenge your mindset, reshape your habits, and help you grow from the inside out. Because the best books don't just motivate you, they rebuild you.